6. Sabit Josephat, Bachelor of Arts.
Retired Major Lupo arikujekyera mukuru w'ihanga yashaba abahiza kwiga okwejombera omu by'emikono kibaase kubayamba okwetantiraho emirimo hamwe n'okukozesa abandi.
I encourage the graduates to be innovators and creators of their own jobs and be in position to employ others because the current government jobs cannot absorb all of them.
Mukuru w'ihanga yashobora ngo ekintu kiza kuyambaho okuleetaho entunguko mu bantu hamwe n'omu ihanga.
This is a dream come true for the NRM leadership because we have our focus on innovation and skills will cause a dramatic turnaround in people's livelihoods. It will also speed up many development dreams of this country, more so managed by our own children who can identify and appreciate the challenges of their country.
Abeegi 520 lizoba nibo bajwekwa. Omukoro ogu Professor Edward Birugumayo Chancellor w'Itendekero erya Mountains of the Moon yashaba gavumenti okubaho obushagiki.
Support contribution in the world of culture and the environmental sciences, FMES building over the left side.
Ahashongeje Honorable Dr. Joyce Muleko Kaduchu owabajwekire First Lady kandi Minister w'ebyobwegyese Janet Kataha Museveni ashobora ko gavumenti eyine enteekateeka z'okuha obushagiki Itendekero.
The government of Uganda remains committed to strengthening infrastructure at this university, increase staffing level, increase staff research capacity and governance system to ensure that this university grows into a strong, sustainable national asset.
Abajwekwa erizoba batushoborera ekiri kumanyisa aharibo.
Habwomezi bwange habwokuba I have upgraded in my career kandi nsoboire nokusingura mu bintu byone bimbere ninkora kandi nayongera hidara ery'amaani
omu bintu ebyokwebembera abantu na muno obundi mwebembezi owali mu local government kandi kino nkikozere habw'okwongezaho kumanya kwange n'okwetegereza kwange ngo kinsobozese kurora ngu mu decisions ezindukora ninzikora ndi informed or from what someone calls an informed point of view.
Omukoro gwayitabamu abebembezi ab'ebyokwerinda ab'amadiini abaziire hamwe n'abandi bantu. Amakuru agashika kwa Nyakisiki Justin omuri Fort Portal.